Welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Flavor Station. My dear flavor chasers, doing up the channel nice. Now I had a request to do some basic knife skills, so I'm gonna do an onion, a pepper, a tomato, some garlic, and a chili, just to show you, what I like to do and how you can minimize waste and utilize the whole veg and stuff like that. So yeah, like and subscribe. Hope you like it. Oh yeah, ironic t-shirt, innit? Because knives do wreck lives, but only when you take them out of the kitchen. But yo, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side, baby. Shit.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Right, welcome now. This is my brethren Caillou. Nice and sharp. Now these bits are meant to stop it sticking, but I don't know. You don't need to use a big knife, but I love this. It's my G. Now you need to remember to stop cutting your fingers. Grab the money. Now you want to just hit the knife off your knuckles. I'll show you again. Grab the money again. And just slide. See how it's not hitting it. Now I'm going to do pepper, tomato, onion. We got garlic. We got chili to bombo. Now your onion. Jeez. You want to chop off the top. Stop it, roll around. Stop it rolling. Now, down the middle, bam. Now, peel it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your views, man. Hopefully you can learn something today. Now, dicing. You want to chop along, slice in. You can use a big or smaller knife, don't matter. Tekka stays the same. Slice down the one way. You can see how it fans out. Number one fan, baby. See it? Yeah, boy. Now, you want to go inside. This will give you your squares. You don't want long pieces. You want nice small square pieces. This is a brunoise. This is 3mm dice. Now once you've gone in, you want to roll the knife. Bam, bam, bam. I do it fast because I'm a bad man. You don't know the thing. Now flip it and then just stop at your stalk. Now look, brunoise. Now we're going to slice this. You want to cut out the core, the little thingy. Go in at an angle and just slice the bad boy in. I probably took too much off there, but you know the thing. Now, just pull the knife back. Let the knife do the work. Straight down, off your knuckles. Bish, bash, bosh. Lovely for a fajita. Always make sure your stuff as well is flat on the board. Wipe your door, you dirty pig. Bell pepper. I don't know if anyone else does it like this. Maybe I'm just a revolutionist. I don't know. But take your bottom off. And then you want to chop down the side and just inside that white bit and round. Minimal prep, maximum fodder, lovely. Core, seeds, everything. Now, roll your knife. See this Tekkas? This way I use a curved knife. Roll as if your elbow and your shoulder's going up and down against your knuckles. And that'll give you the Tekkas to just bash through these. Nice and rough. Fajitas, salads. Oh, slow it down, baby. Oh, look. I'm just too good at this, man. I'm telling ya. Slice that pepper. Salad, speed it up. Yes, boy. Now, tomato. Grab a bowl. This is for your seeds. Now, same Tekkas as the pepper. You want to bottom, edges, yeah? Leave the core. Leave that horrible green bit. It's bitter, nasty. Dash it where. Now, you want to grab your thumb or a teaspoon if you're weird and just scoop out your tomato. Once you've done that, just a rough dice, salads, salsa, everything there, soup, the lot. This is chopping Tekkas, baby. Chopping 101. Nice skills, I told ya. It's skill station now. Now garlic. Peel back from the top. It should just, if it's ripe, it should be really simple and easy. So you squash it down, not too much, and then I swear that's mouldy. It's mouldy. Dash it where. Right, try again. Squash it down, not too much, and then you just peel it off. It should come off well easy. See it there? Now, same as the onion. You don't want the core. You bite down on that. You got fillings. You will know about it. You want to go down like you did with your onion. Bish, bash, bosh. Garlic on top. Allow my nail because I cut myself ironically. Then you go in again like your onion. It's mad, I'm doing a knife skills video, but I've got a cut on my hand where I cut myself with a knife. And then, yeah, rolling Tekkas with the Caillou. Oh my days, Sheffield steel making light work of that. Look, slow it down, hypes. Oh, yeah. Boom. Now you're left with your stalk. Dash that way. Focus. Yeah, there we go. See it? Boom. Now, chili. It's actually a jalapeno. You want to take out the seeds. I never take out the seeds. Teaspoon. Bam. All of that gone. All that white stuff gone. Bitter. Now, I'm going to do a dice and a slice. Dice, this is good for like spicy rice. A dice and a slice is good for spicy rice. I like that. But yeah, slice down about 2 mil thick. Grab it all together. It's all the same technique, you know. It's all the same. But you're best with a big knife. People are intimidated by a big knife. Just slicer. And use that, yeah, and just, if you want that for pizza or for fajita, with extra jalapenos. Now you can start a curry there, salad there, fajita there, jalapeno there, lovely. Save it, done. You see the way the knife works, now you know that's light work. I do hope you enjoyed that episode and it wasn't too laborious and boring for you. But yeah, hopefully you won't cut yourself. Make sure your knife's sharp. Make sure it's a knife you're comfortable with. You don't have to be some big, massive thing, chef's knife or nothing like that. Just whatever you're comfortable with. Could be a little veg peeler. Could be one this long. It don't matter. So yeah, I'll see ya when I see ya. Peace.
Flavor Station.